So what'd the bottle of wine just do?
Kick my ass. Don, how do you get this little cork out? Don from Stranger, everybody.
Okay, you gotta grab it with 2 fingers.
Grab it with the rabbit.
2 fingers and then hold the cork there. And then it's out.
Nice.
It's a pain in the butt. It's actually a pain in the butt.
So we are going to be drinking
Wine out of champagne glass.
wine out of champagne glasses, and it's $2 wine
From Walmart.
from Walmart. 'Cause
And
we're
there's
awesome.
Dave from Stranger, everybody.
I got Dave and Dave
Would
over
you like
here.
some, Dave? We're celebrating.
I'm double Daved.
We're
I have
celebrating.
the Venturi. If you learn to turn the $2 wine into a $4 wine,
What's that?
it's an
It
aerator.
definitely turns into that $7.99 wine.
Yeah.
Oh.
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 Here, she can have that one.
What does that do?
It puts air in your wine.
Oh,
It's
so
kinda
it's
like-
so now it is like champagne.
It's like decanting it, but faster.
Now we're getting fancy, Dave.
You know, with the rabbit.
Don, you want some?
Yeah, for sure.
I feel so spoiled now.
We're celebrating.
I want him to buy
What are we celebrating?
Just the fact that
That you're in
that
California!
I'm in California. I haven't seen you in a while, and that I got some big things coming up.
Hell
Which
yeah.
includes forgetting the past.
I take the aerated wine.
Absolutely.
So
And
here's to the future.
to the future. Cheers.